wants it all. So watch out if you try to play along.
Did they put those record scratch thing like synth sounds in there for when it's played in the club and broken like do edits with it? That's interesting. Yeah, I think it always sounded the same. Because don't make me think you fall in love. Yeah, cause it's kind of interesting, right? Because like I think he's always sounded the same, bro. His production styles have changed over time. Newer music, older music, pre-peak era, like.
Ain't nobody gonna care enough to catch you fall. So don't you fall in love. Don't make me make you fall in love. Don't make me make you fall in love with a nigga like me. Nobody needs to fall in love. 'Cause girl, I'm just a bird. Girl, I'm just another bird. Don't make me make you fall in love with a nigga like me.
Interesting instrumental style. It was kind of questionable at first, and now we're like a marching band theme, and I don't think I've ever seen an R&B singer sing over marching band music. Unique.
Like me. Oh, God, you try to warn me, but baby, I wanted you. Gotta show you, this is no game.
This is your anthem. Yo, you've sent me lots of music over time, but you've never said those words.
You'll be falling to a point of no return, no return. Don't you fall in love. Don't make me make you fall in love. Don't make me make you fall in love with a nigga like me. Nobody needs to fall. Just love her.
You know, honestly, I'm more intrigued by this visual than I am the song. This guy always does unique stuff like this. Layering, textures. Always does cool shit like that.
I'm just another girl. Don't make me make you fall in love. Like nobody needs to fall. I know you're rolling hard when it don't lie. I know it's got a hold on you. I know you're rolling with it, baby. Don't you lie, baby? I know you're rolling hard when it don't lie. I know it's got a hold on you. I know you're rolling with it, baby. Don't you lie, baby? Make you fall in love.
That's the kind of context, bro, that I'd be asking people for in the comments in the future. That's funny as hell. Nah, it was just a homie house, bro. That's it. We had one of those for a little while, but I don't know, dudes are just weird or they just got wives, so it just couldn't really happen no more. One of the two options, they either got married or became weirdos.
Don't make me make you fall in love with a nigga like me, like me. 'Cause girl, I'm just a bird.
Yo, so real dog shit. So, Kat, you want to hear something hilarious? After this song was some real dog shit. Bro, you know what I'm sitting here? Do you know what my feet sit in? This is going to be the funniest shit ever. I don't think I've ever even told y'all this. All winter, I got a motherfucking dog bed underneath my shit that my feet sit in, bro, so my feet don't get cold. I just showed you, gang. I'll say real dog shit, bro. Real dog shit. My feet be in this shit tucked and comfortable, bro. I be in this shit relaxing, trying to fall asleep. No bullshit.
Girl, I'm just another bird. Don't make me make you fall in love with a nigga like me, like me.
Reminds me every day I gotta go be a dog, bro. You feel me? Like someone gotta do it. I'ma do it. That's funny as hell. Where's the part two? I saw it. The birds part two. I'll give this first half like a cool 7.5 out of 10. It was valid, bro. No bullshit. It was valid. And you know what's funny? This one has 1,000 more likes. This one has 1,000 more likes, bro. Hey. Hey. Oh. I didn't do that. Yeah, I won't lie to you, bro. I'm covering the lady, bro, but this is kind of hilarious, gang. Like, the funny part is too, in a lot of these situations, the person knows one, they should have started fucking with them. Two, they shouldn't have feelings for them. Three, they shouldn't continue it. But 4 and 5 to do anyways, and then bad shit happens always. This song's already way better, bro. Do you remember? Have you ever watched any of the Medea movies? There's like 3 or 4 different movies where it's like that. The one where the girl's like a prostitute, trying to like stay in old boy's good graces and kicks her out. There's another one where old girl was married to old boy who was just being a piece of shit, and she begged him to stay, and then she had to leave and go live with Medea and them until she figured shit out. A couple different movies like that. When I hear a song like this, that's what I think of is those movies, the Medea movies. No bullshit. Because my brain works in unique ways. Like, I never would have thought of the Tyler Perry movies ever again if I didn't hear songs like these. You feel me? Like, I have lots of, I don't know what's bigger than a terabyte. I had millions of terabytes of information in my brain, bro. You feel me? But like, it only gets hit like the recall button when like something like very relevant connects. Feel me? So like I'm really good with like faces, emotions, smells, energies, but like names and shit. I'm shy, bro.
Just a word. I try to kiss you, but you never let me miss you. But you never let me miss you. I thought
Were these released as singles or on the same album? I obviously don't know that information. I don't want to click off of this too because it's just so it'd be so far down on YouTube.
I told
Gang, no funny shit. This is real life, bro. I call everybody bro or ma. Like I call females bro. Like what's good, bro? What's good, bro? What's good, bro? But I'm talking about yo ma or yo bae. Like, and everybody knows me. Like, bro, I call the president of my company bro. The guy who owns my company, bro. What's good, bro? How you? Like, I'm terrible with names, bro. And everybody who knows me knows that too. Like, it's been that way my whole life. But like, I can remember the face of the rapper I listened to from Shazekia from 5 months ago, or like the random lady who complimented me like 4 months ago at Walmart. I can remember her face forever. Like, you feel me? It's just mad weird. Like, I don't know. Always faces, bro. I think since there's so many names, like this, you'll never use the name again. But a face is like a fight flight type of wrist thing. No, it's just not relevant information, gang. Like, I can go look this shit up if it's important. You know what I mean? Like, like I don't know why the faces always catch, but like names, like it's just not relevant information, bro. Like, I'm not trying to be funny in no way. Like a lot of the artists I listen to on here, I will never listen to them again in my life, bro. Ever. I'll never put them on. Like, yo, put on that fizzy 515, bro. That shit was fire. Like, you're never gonna hear those words other than me joking about it right now ever again. Yo, bro, put on that little sleepy. That shit was gas. Like, you're never gonna hear me say that shit. So, names just I don't know. Names just one of those things for me. I'm just good on, bro. 100% good on. I'm trying to visualize. Like I've obviously never seen this dude in real life, right? But I'm trying to picture like dude maybe a little bit smaller than me, big hair, being a dog, bro. Talking to this girl on the ground, sobbing, bro. Makeup fucked up, face red, eyes puffy, bro, dying on the floor. And he's just sitting there, probably drinking his hand. And honestly, the kind of guy Weeknd is, he probably smokes hookah too. So maybe he's like sitting in like a stool, and he's smoking a hookah with a drink, talking to her like, "Oh, whoa, okay." I won't lie though, in this second song, the production's way better. It's I don't want to say it's better writing. I would say they're both equally on par with each other. You know what I mean? Instrumentals way better. Those like synth sounds he had like in the first song, I'm not sure if that was like that for when like, the song released, because back that was during the club era, 2012. You feel me? Like when nightclub, like 2012, like 2018 was when clubs was really popping out here. Because technically, Toronto's only 4 hours away from me. He's like not that far. You feel me? Like Toronto and Buffalo listen to the same radio stations. Funny enough as that is, you know, it's different countries. They're right there. Yeah, I feel like if he used the same, well, not the same instrumental style, but maybe he used like a different instrumental style with similar production work to this one, it would probably be a really better song. Like probably like an 8.6. I can't listen to that, bro. Yeah, I can't, gang. I can't listen to that, bro. But all right, cool. Honestly, I'm feeling like an 8.3 would be like the rating for the second song. You know, let me pull up the rating chart, bro. Why not? No, I use the pop rating charts to be fair. Jesus Christ, gang. You said you were gonna leave at 10:40. Oh, I was wrong. An 8.4. That's valid. Cool. Yeah, it was a good song. Yeah, what if you put the two of those together? A 15. What? A 15.9 divided by two. A 7.95 would be the average of the two songs. Good music. Like I personally don't like stuff with that kind of subject matter.